Okay guys, so this is what happened. This is the jack right here, and right here is the little slot where you jack the Prius up, right? So before I had put this backing on here, it was just metal. So I tried to jack it up, and that's magnetic, so it'll stay there. I tried jacking it up, so it was basically metal on metal, right? So what I noticed was, as I was jacking it up, the higher I would get, it actually, the jack was actually like moving over on here. So it started out in the middle, right? Just like this. When I started jacking it up, it started out in the middle, but the higher I got, right, the higher that I jacked it up, somehow it began to slide like all the way over here, and that scared me. So yeah, that wasn't good. So that is why I decided to make this, and I'll show you right now. And it's not moving. The felt is getting a little squished, but that's fine. It stops the metal for metal contact and stops any slippage. So that's what you want. You don't want to die or do something stupid while jacking your car up. First step that you want to do is clean the bottom side off with some grease and wax remover. I just had some of this these felt strips lying around. So one side, this is adhesive, it just pulls off like this. So I'm just going to put it on the puck. And just line it up. And make sure it And now we'll cut the excess off. I'll probably do it with a little knife. Then take your piece of cardboard and just and now what you have is an almost perfect cutout. I might go back and do another layer, but I'm going to go and see how this works. Okay guys, so I jacked up the car, and as you can see, it looked like some imprints, and there's like right here the metal is showing a little bit. And what I'm doing is the strips, my original strips are going this way. So there's 1, 2, 3 strips right here. You can see like the lines. So now I'm going to lay the strips the opposite way. Now let's go check this out. And after jacking it up, this is what the bottom of the puck looks like. So it leaves some like indentations, but it didn't break through all the way. It might eventually break through, like if you jack it up a lot, if you use it a lot. But I mean, that's fine. You can always, I guess, take little pieces and put them back in, like those little scrap pieces that you cut off. So I'm happy with this. This works for my purposes.